Hey, Mr. Messed Up, had a problem with the toilet. The pipe that feeds water to the flush system has burst, and I have to replace it. As a result, the flush is not working. This is a flexible pipe that screws into the bottom underneath the toilet. So I've gone out and got a new one, and this is the new pipe. This is the attachment that goes in underneath the toilet, and this is the attachment which is down the bottom there that we have to take off. You will need two wrenches or pliers and wrench to take off this nut, this particular nut here. But before, when the pipe burst or leaked out anyway, the first thing I did was turn off the water supply from this screw down here with a flat headed screwdriver, and you turn it down turn it off so that there's no water supply going into this pipe or into the flush. When you've done that, flush it so you empty this out, and it won't refill because the water supply to the toilet has been cut off. So let's proceed now with taking off this pipe, this bad pipe, and replacing the new pipe. So I'll demonstrate it on here. You've got to hold the top nut with one pliers, like so, and a bit fiddly. You've got to hold it with this, and with the second pliers, you've got to open this nut by holding the top one steady, by turning it clockwise. So you'll open this one clockwise, holding the top one, and that's how you can get this pipe off. Let's proceed to do that. So I'm putting the top pliers, on the top one to hold that, and get a grip of the bottom and open it up. There we go. Coming off slowly. Might be able to do the rest by hand. Yes. So you take it off. And undo it from underneath, from the connection underneath the toilet. So I'm tightening this tube, this flexible pipe back on, like so, and now we'll attach it underneath and tighten that. This is a screw mechanism, just screw it in place. Just awkward because it's underneath the toilet. So this is the condition of the old pipe. As you can see, it's rusted through and there are holes in it. And we've replaced it with a brand new one now. So we've attached the pipe, and I've turned the valve back on from the screw. And it's now just filling, and we'll see if it flushes. Okay, here we go to flush it. And it's now working.
Yay!
Hope you find that helpful. Over and out. Cheers.